Galimni aytsam ishonmaysizlar. Men har doim o'zimni hayotimni bloknotlarga yozib kelaman. Bu meni hozirgi ushlab yurgan dnevnikim. Bu yerda hamma narsa bor. Odamlar menga gapirishgan gaplar, men bilan bo'lib turgan narsalar, menga qilingan nohaqliklar. Hazırlashyapman. Yo'q, o'zi вообще sezib turgan narsalarimni hammasini shu yoqqa yozaman-da. Va hozir 2021-yilda yozgan dnevnikimni topib oldim. Bu yerda men hamma narsani inglizchada yozaman, chunki kichkina bo'lgan paytim oyim men dnevnikimni ochib hammasini o'qiganlar. Oyib ko'rib turibsiz, bilaman. O'qib chiqsam, letter to my younger self degan narsani topdim. Bu degani kichkina Faridaga xat degani. Ya'ni 18 yoshli Farida 13-14 yoshli Faridaga xat yozyapti. Mana, letter to my younger self. I'm going to lose sleep over this. I know you were hurt a lot. I know you were told a lot of mean things. I know that this world convinced you that you are unworthy of love, that there is something wrong with you, that you were not enough. You were so little yet had so many big dreams. You were hardworking, you were strong, sometimes even too strong for a child. Every time you were hurt, betrayed, abandoned by people, you thought that all this suffering is what it takes to reach your goals, to live your dream life, when in reality you were just a child that needed protection, that needed comfort. Sabiris. You didn't need to be the strongest, the number one, the champion. You needed to be a child. You needed to be told that you're human and that no one is perfect. Bu xatni 12-13 yoshli Faridaga yozganimning sababi chunki u paytda men hali endi Toshkentga ko'chuvdim. Bu yerda hech kimim yo'q edi, bitta o'zim bo'lib qolgandim. O'sha paytda qiyin bo'lgan deb o'ylab, 18 yoshimda 12-13 yoshli Faridaga xat yozibman.